Okay, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and go to Google. You're going to go ahead and go to the little menu option here on the Google Apps, and you're going to go down to the apps where you get more from Google because it's going to take you to search for it, browse all their products, and you're going to go all the way down to where it talks about sites. And right here, so it says Google Sites. Click on that, and it has some templates for you. You can choose a template, or you can choose create a blank page. So I'm going to show you starting from a blank page. Let's go ahead and choose a blank page. Here you're going to click a title. I'm just going to call it Rogel Foundation. Okay, whatever you want. You can choose the colors if you want, the background, and so on. You can insert a header type. You could put an image in the background if you wanted to. So you want to select an image. And I don't know if I have any images on here with me, but let's see if I can choose an image already. Let's say if you wanted just to do, I'm just going to pick one of me and former students as your background. So there you go. There goes your image. Okay, you're going to give your site a name. Probably just call it, again, Rogel Foundation. You can probably hear the fireworks in the background. Okay, so now what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to insert content into your page. So now what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to go ahead, let's just say you want to create some images or some content. Just going to click here. You can insert anything, upload an image. You can upload a video from YouTube on here, a calendar, a map, something from Google Drive. So anything in your Google Drive, you can essentially, any files on here, you can insert them. So if I want to just do like I don't know, a spreadsheet on there, I can insert that spreadsheet right there. And now I'm going to click on share it. So now the spreadsheet is available for the viewers to see, anybody who looks at it. And you can click a title on here, so you can put whatever on here, then any small descriptions on there. You keep on adding to your page. You can add more stuff and keep on adding more if you wanted to. It's all really simple like that. Now, let's say if I wanted to add another page. So now I'm going to click on here and then click the plus sign, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new page. I'm just going to call it page 2 for whatever reason. So I'm going to call it that. And now page 2 appears. So I have my home page and I have page 2. Page 2 has nothing on it, so it's called page 2 on top. You can name it whatever you want. So you can keep on adding more and more content in there. So if I wanted to add something on here in page 2, oops, click on that, insert, sorry. So I want to insert more content, be the same way as page 1. So let's say if I want to go ahead and view this, I want to publish it. Well, I'd have to give it a name, okay, Rogel Foundation, and this is going to be the actual address of the actual the website. So okay, so let me click on up here, and I'm going to click on view publish site, and now go between home page and page 2. So now this is what home page first looks like, page 2 looks like that, and you can always edit the document. Okay, essentially think of it like a document. That's all it is. Now if you want to add like a menu option, you can insert a menu option on here. So let me see on here. Here's a bunch of different things you can add in here: an image carousel, table of contents, however you want to add. I'm going to go to one of my already published pages. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And so what I recommend is if you create a page or a website, it's going to be in your Google Drive. Problem is, if you have a bunch of other files, you're going to get all lost. So what I recommend is you create a folder, just put all your files for that website in that folder. That way you just have that one folder. So my editing for my website for my golf team is essentially here, and everything I want to do. And what I have right here is a menu option to create essentially pages, like just to go from one page to the other. And essentially, I think that's a table of contents. No, sorry, it wasn't a table of contents. It was navigation. Oh yeah, so you click on this little settings button, and then you click on navigation. You want to put it on the side, on the top. So, or you want, do you want to make it the color? Do you want it like black and white or transparent? So you can play with it. Right now, mine's on the side. So when you look at the actual published site, it looks like this. So this is the home page. When you go to it, it'll look like this. And then if you want to go to another page, just click there. Makes it real simple for the user. Now, if you'll notice on mine, I actually have a name for my site. I gave it a domain name. So I gave it the name of bdtgolf.com. So that way you essentially have the page that people can go to right away, give it a short, quick name. The other way, let me see the one I created for Rogel Foundation, what that name would be. It'd probably be this page right here. Let me go to home page. So let me see if I just went and did this. What would that look like? Okay, so your name would be sites.google.com/view Rogel Foundation. That's kind of a long name. So if you just called it rogelfoundation.net.org.com, you can do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video, or a tutorial video I'm going to add as well. But that's really all you need to do to create a Google Sites website. It's real simple, real easy, real user friendly, really easy to create.